Hi friends, in our last video regarding candlestick, we discussed about single candlestick pattern. The different types of pattern available are Marabuzu, that is bullish Marabuzu as well as bearish Marabuzu, spinning tops, dojis, hammers, inverted hammers, etc. So today we will see in detail about Marabuzu candle. Marabuzu in Japanese means bald head or shaved head, and this is because of the absence of wicks or shadow on the candlestick, which means that the opening or closing price will be the same as maximum price of the candle. It indicates a stock has traded strongly in one direction throughout the session and closed its high or low price of the day. A Marabuzu candle is represented only by a body. It has no wicks at top or bottom of the candle. A green Marabuzu candle has a long green body and is formed when the open equals the low of the session and closed at high of the session. Similarly, a red Marabuzu candle has a long red body and is formed when the open is equal to high and close equals the low of the session. Marabuzu is a Japanese word for dominance. They are extremely powerful candles and have a long body with small or no shadow. When a green Marabuzu candle formed, it means the stock opened at a certain level and kept rising without falling throughout the session. Similarly, a red Marabuzu is formed when the price opens at certain point and keeps falling. It can be a trend reversal or a trend continuation candle. A Marabuzu with higher volume is more powerful. So always look for a volume chart along with Marabuzu candle. Marabuzu candles are of two types: bullish Marabuzu candle as well as bearish Marabuzu candlestick. Bullish Marabuzu candlestick opens at low of the day. From there it starts moving up throughout the day and it closes at its high point. So it will not show any wick or shadow at the top or bottom because the low point is the open and close point is the high. Similarly, for a bearish Marabuzu, it opens at high point of the day and it starts losing its price. Throughout the day, it will lose its price and close at low point of the day. It is called a bearish Marabuzu. Marubozu candle shows a strong sentiment, which shows a stock has traded in one direction throughout the session. It also means people are ready to buy throughout the day in case of green Marabuzu or ready to sell throughout the day for red Marabuzu. For these type of candles, sentiments will be carry forwarded for next few sessions. So look for buying or selling opportunity towards the end of the candle or wait for the next candle for confirmation. And don't forget to put stop loss on the low point of green Marabuzu for buying. Similarly, high point of red Marabuzu for selling. Pro tip: one should avoid candle which is less than 1% range and also avoid very high candles which are in the range of more than 10%. These can give a false signals. Now let's see how these Marabuzu candles reflecting in a chart. In this chart we can see two bullish Marabuzu candles, first one and the second one. Similarly, we can also see two bearish candlestick pattern. Let's see how to trade in these four candles. So first we will look for good volume in these candles. If the volume is good, then we can enter into a trade. Towards the end of Marabuzu candle, that is bullish Marabuzu candle, we can initiate a trade for risky traders. We can have a buy here. And don't forget to put a stop loss towards the low point of the candle. And you can ride on the profit for a target of 1% for intraday as well as 5% for swing traders. For conservative traders, they can wait for the confirmation candle, that is the next candle. If it is a green, you can initiate a buy at the middle of the second candle. Then you can ride for 1% profit in intraday as well as 5% for swing trade. Similarly, for second candle, check for good volume. If the volume is good, you can initiate the trade towards the end of the candle and don't forget to put the stop loss. For conservative traders, they can wait for the next confirmation candle and you can ride on the profit, 1% for intraday and 5% for swing. Suppose if you are not getting the target, before that you saw some bearish candle, try to exit that candle. It is not always necessary to get the profit from all the trades. So in some trades, it will not get the required target. So better to close the trade if it is showing a bearish trend. Similarly, for a bearish Marabuzu, how to trade on this bearish Marabuzu candle? Here, you can initiate the trade at the low point if the volume is good. And you can put a stop loss at the top point of bearish Marabuzu candle, because here you are going to initiate a sell order. So it's a short order, so your stop loss will be on the high point of the bearish Marabuzu, and you can initiate trade on the low point of Marabuzu. Conservative traders, they can wait for the next candle for confirmation. So here in this case, second one is an indecisive candle. Don't take a trade on the second candle. Third candle is also showing indecisive candle, so don't trade on third candle also. Can wait for the fourth candle. The fourth candle shows a bearish trend, so you can initiate a sell order over here for conservative traders, and you can ride on the profit. This is how one should trade on Marabuzu candle. Only thing you need to remember is not all the 100% will be successful. If you are getting 70% success rate, that is still good for a trading. The main thing is money risk management. So better concentrate on risk management. If you are getting a success rate of more than 70% and having a good risk management or good money management, you can be a professional trader. So let's see now some live example of Marabuzu candles. So we will go to kite. So let's say Hero Honda Motors. Okay. So we will take the chart. We will put it into daily time frame, and we will take say last 6 months from December we will take. So let's see some of the bullish or bearish Marabuzu candle from the chart. So here we can see this is one bearish Marabuzu candle, but here after that bearish Marabuzu candle, the next confirmation candle is not there, and still it is going up only. So here you can see one bearish Marabuzu candle. After that it's a dodgy, then green, then again it is showing a confirmation candle. After that you can see it is going down. So similarly, one bullish Marabuzu, then it is going up. Here again you can see a bullish Marabuzu candle is going up. Similarly, here you can see a bearish Marabuzu. After that, it is going down. Here a bullish Marabuzu. Again, it is going up. So here you can see a long candle wherein the percentage in terms of the candle is in between, say the high point is 2400 and the lowest point is somewhere near 2150. So it is more than 10%. This is what we mentioned. If the candle is more than 10%, then it can give a false breakout. So don't trade on Marabuzu candles which is less than 1% in range or more than 10% in range. Sometimes it can give a false breakout. So here if you see, it's giving a false breakout. Here after showing a bearish mode, the stock is going up. So it's a false breakout. Similarly, here you can see one bullish Marabuzu. After that, the stock is going up. So there are a lot of examples wherein after a Marabuzu, the trend is following for some more days. This logic is also not 100%. So if you are getting a success rate of more than 70%, still it's good. Only thing is you need to take care of your risk management. So always when you trade, don't go for some holy grail trade strategy. If you are getting success rate of more than 60-70%, it is well and good. Even some people, some professional traders trade with more than 50% success rate. There the risk management is too good. If you have a strong risk management and having a reasonable success ratio, still you can be a good trader. So mostly we covered everything about Marubozu candle. So in our next video, we will go into different candlestick pattern. That is doji candlestick pattern. That is one of the most important candlestick pattern. Spend some time on Marabuzu candles. Try to find out some Marabuzu candle in a live chart. Find the trading opportunity. If you have any doubt on Marabuzu candle, please post it in the message box. I will definitely answer that. All these candlestick patterns are very important once you start trading. Seriously look for all the options to learn these candlestick patterns on a live chart. The more you do the chart learning, the better you will be as a trader.
Please do like if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to get the notifications of upcoming videos on personal finance and stock market. Please post your valuable comments. Do follow the Friday Basics to make your stock market journey easy. Thanks for watching and have a good day.